Hello everyone. I am Jaya Kagda, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government City College, Nayapur, Hyderabad. Today I'll discuss the topic as from the banking theory and practice. Topic is NABARD. NABARD is nothing but National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Bank. So this bank is a bank where it is giving finance to agriculture and further rural development. NABARD. NABARD is set up as Apex Development Bank with a mandate for facilitating credit flow for promotion and development of agriculture, small scale industries, cottage and village industries, handicraft, and other rural crafts. It also has the mandate to support all other allied economic activities in rural areas, promote integrated and sustainable rural development, and secure prosperity of rural areas. So in this we can say NABARD is helping with the credit. Best example is they are giving help to the agriculture development, small scale industries, cottage and village industries, handicraft, and other rural crafts. So NABARD is helping all these things where they are giving a finance to all these industries for their development. It is specially for the rural areas. They are helping the prosperity for the development of rural areas. Committee to review. Arrangement for institutional credit for agriculture and rural development. Set up by the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, under the chairmanship of Shri B. Shivaraman. Convinced and recommended the establishment of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It was established on 12th July 1982 by a special act by the Parliament, and its main focus was to uplift rural India by increasing the credit flow for the evaluation of agriculture. So this NABARD is set up by the Reserve Bank of India in the year 1982 on 12th July. With the help of a special act which is submitted in the parliament for the upliftment of the rural India. Means they want to develop the agriculture and the rural India by providing them credit facility for the development of the rural people, the rural area to be developed. With this, this NABARD is started in the year 1982. What is the vision of NABARD? Empowerment of rural poor people by improving their access to the formal credit system through various mutual fund innovations in a cost effective and sustainable manner. Here we can say that their vision is to provide a credit for the rural people, the poor people. The poor people, those who are the rural background, for improving their credit system, giving them the loan and giving them the finance and helping them to develop the rural areas. This is specially for the rural people. Their mission: promoting sustainable and equitable agriculture and rural development through effective credit support, related services, institution building, and other innovative initiatives. So their mission is to develop the agriculture. India is also called a agricultural country. So this NABARD is also helping the rural people and the agricultural farmer by giving them the credit support, by giving them the related services, institutional building and other innovative initiatives. Their mission is to first develop the farmers, the agriculture, the poor people, those who are staying in the rural area. For the development of rural area, they are promoting the NABARD. National Bank will be an apex organization in respect of all matters related to policy, planning, operational aspects in the field of credit for promotion of agriculture, small scale industry, cottage and village industry, handicraft, and other rural craft and other allied economic activities in the rural area. So rural areas are the area where we can call them as underdeveloped. They are not developed. And the people those who are staying in the rural area, their background is totally depending on the agriculture. Agriculture means their farmers are the more person those who are staying in the rural area or they are working in the industry, cottage industry, village industry, handicraft and other rural craft. So here we can say this NABARD is helping them with the help of credit facility by giving them credit facility. Bank will also provide direct lending to any institution as may approved by central government. Bank will have organic link with the Reserve Bank and maintain a close link with it. So this NABARD is maintaining a good relationship with the Reserve Bank so that the Reserve Bank of India can help the NABARD by providing a loan or the credit facility to the rural people or the rural areas for the development of rural areas. Bank will serve as a refinancing institution for institutional credit such as long term, short term for the promotion of activities in rural area. So here we can say the bank is providing them not only the long term loan, short term loan and giving them or promoting their activities which they are conducting in the rural areas by providing them finance. Credit function. So here, what do you mean by the credit function? When NABARD is giving the credit facility to the rural people, to the agricultural farmer, or for the development of rural area. So what is the development and promotional function? So what they are doing, they are developing and promoting the rural areas. Supervisory function. What they are doing, supervisory is nothing but keeping a keen interest or keeping a eye on the rural area for their development. They supervise them. Institutional and capacity building. The institution and whatever their capacity, they are building them. Role in a training. So giving the training to the farmers and the people, those who are working in the cottage and handicraft and the small scale industry, giving them training. Or we can say that the people, those who are not educated, the women or men, giving them training so that they can work in a small scale industry. Framing policy and guidelines for rural finance institutions, providing a credit facility to issuing organization, monitoring the flow of ground level rural credit, help the cooperative bank and regional rural bank to prepare development action plans for themselves, monitor implementation of development action plans of banks and fulfillment of obligation under MOU, provide the financial support for the training institute of cooperative bank. Here we can say they even take a help from cooperative bank, they can take help from the regional rural bank to prepare the action plan for themselves. Monitor the implementation of development action plans of bank and they can have a MOU, that is memorandum of understanding between these banks. They can frame a policy. This NABARD is not a small bank. This is a big bank, big institution where they provide a finance to the and training institute of cooperative bank. Regional rural bank and cooperative bank other than urban or private primary cooperative banks under the provision of Banking Regulation Act 1949 undertake inspection of the State Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Bank and apex a non-credit cooperative society on a voluntary basis that help fulfill for more development. It help cooperative bank and regional rural bank to prepare development action plan for themselves. monitor implementation or development of action plan of bank and fulfillment and obligation under MOU, provide financial assistance to cooperative banks for the establishment of technical and monetary and evaluation cells. So they provide these things to assist the cooperative banks and the regional rural banks. Provide the organizational development intervention through reputed training institutes like Banker Institute of Rural Development, Lucknow National Bank Staff College, Lucknow College of Agriculture Banking, Pune, etc. Provide financial support for training institutes of cooperative bank. Provide training for senior and middle level executives of commercial bank and regional rural bank and cooperative bank. So they are not only providing these things for the rural area and the rural development or the agriculture farmer or the agriculture people, they even help the commercial banks, regional rural banks and cooperative banks. NABARD Act. What is the NABARD Act? NABARD Act provides that bank shall maintain expert staff to study all problems relating to agriculture and rural development and be available for consultation to the central government, the Reserve Bank, the state government, and the other institutions engaged in the field of rural development. Provide facility for training for dissemination of information and the promotion of research, including the undertaking of studies, research, techno-economic and other survey in the field of rural bank, agriculture and rural development, may provide consultancy services in the field of agriculture and rural development. The role of training in NABARD and the role played by it for capacity building in client institution, partner agency and other developmental agency is important. So here NABARD is playing a very important role. So they provide expert staff to study all the problems related to agriculture and rural development. Not only this, they also take a keen interest in the promoting the research work, techno-economic and other services. They give the role of training in NABARD and the role played by client institution and other agency, which is very, very important related to the agriculture and the rural development. NABARD refinance. It is support to bank and provide refinance support to bank to the extent of 100% of the bank loans dispersed to small self-help groups. The total refinance is dispersed to bank against their loans to self-help groups. The technical service department of NABARD is preparing and bringing model bankable agriculture project in the area of minor irrigation, land development, plantation and horticulture, agricultural, engineering, forestry and wetland, fisheries, animal husbandry and biotechnology. So NABARD is giving a finance to all these things for their development like irrigation, land development of plantation, horticulture, agriculture, engineering, forestry and wetland fishery, animal husbandry and biotechnology. So NABARD is providing finance to all these things. Banking services, production credit, Kisan credit cards, farmers club program, tribal development fund, microfinance program, village development program, farm innovation and promotion, fund rural and infrastructure and development fund. So banking provides all these services. These services are production credit, Kisan credit card, farmer club program, tribal development funds, microfinance program, village development program, farmer innovation and promotion, fund rural and infrastructure development fund. NABARD recent development, refinance to banks, rural innovation funds to state government, special scheme for warehouse project, NABARD infrastructure development assistant, direct lending to cooperative bank, direct lending to procedure organization, subsidiary to the schemes and revival package, self-help group bank linkage program, joint liability groups, farmer clubs, watershed development, tribal development, promotional development, institutional development and regional rural banks, institutional development and short-term and long-term cooperative, core banking solutions for cooperative. So all these things are the recent development in the NABARD. So NABARD is giving finance, or we can say refinance, to all these things where they are developing with the help of NABARD Bank. Refinance to bank means whatever the banks are asking for the finance, they are giving. Next thing is Rural Innovation Fund. So whatever the new things are innovative, they are taking help and giving to the state government. Special scheme for warehousing project. NABARD provide infrastructure development assistance. Direct lending to cooperative bank means they are giving help to the cooperative bank, and procedure organization. Some organization also take help from NABARD. Subsidy scheme and revival packages. So they give subsidy to the revival packages, self-help group, joint liability group, farmers club, watershed development, tribal development. Tribal people are underdeveloped people. So NABARD is giving the finance to tribal people also. Promotional development, institutional development and regional rural development, institutional development and short-term and long-term cooperative, core banking solution for cooperative. So all these things are the development of NABARD. So we can say that NABARD is helping the agriculture and rural development. It is totally the development of the rural area. Thank you so much.